Brian Lee with the ball. Into Richard.
Goes over the layup.
1-1. Easy peasy.
That would be a point. Back.
Ricegum with the... board goes to Brother Nature. Brother Nature checking it back. Taking it back. And he's going back to the hole. Oh, out to Jake. Jake got a defender on him. Sal Tarantino for 3. This shit didn't even come close. It's all good. Ricky out to right shot. Cole. We got Cole Bennet out here. Water. Shit didn't even come close.
Nothing. Hit the rock.
We got... Who's gonna fucking... There we go. It didn't even count. It didn't even count.
I don't back it.
Clearly got to set like a boundary.
Shit's getting hectic at the Faze house. We got Ricegum in the oh
Pick and roll.
oh. What's the count? What's the count?
You like that shit? Yo, we just hit a pick and roll.
Oh, give and go. Oh, that motherfuckers are wet, bro. What? You love to see it.
Hey, shut that shit down.
Yeah, I got it.
He used a nice one. He used to the gutter.
Get out of it. Get out of it.
Come on.
Oh, into Cole. Cole, post up, Cole. Oh, back to Rice. What? You guys can't lose. Yo, Kelvin, you got something to prove, bro. You got to lock him down. He said that was a nice pass. Now the ball's on the other team's hands. We got Sal Tarantino. Oh, he do got to dish that back out to Rice. And you know that boy ain't missing. Oh, into Cole. What's Cole about to do? Cole, post up. Oh! Shit, bricked it.
Yep. Trash.
It is actually getting intense now. Oh my God, we got a dog. Oh, and Ricky ain't missing, bro. Hey, Ace, chill. 4-1. The boys are up 1-0 in the series. All right, wait. Oh, whoa. What the fuck? Chill. All right, Kelvin, come on.
Going up.
Come on, Kelvin.
Throws it.
Into Jake.
2, glove Jake, let's go. Misses. Stick to music, my friend.
It's the music, my friend. Sal can't make shit to save his life. But Kelvin with the board. All right, maybe they're going to win it. Maybe they're going to win it.
5 or 7?
7, up to 7.
We're going up to 7.
Oh, all right. Oh.
Take it back. That's you. No, that's you.
This is content right here. Where's my actual camera?
Jake. Up, and it's wet.
Let's go.
Play up to 7.
Tiebreaker to 7. Oh, tiebreaker to 7. Tiebreaker to 7. All right, bet. So shoot for Bennet. Tiebreaker to 7. Yeah. No. Get the ball in. We had it first. 1-1. Shoot the ball. That's your ball. We by 2 or no? All right. I promise you this. First and 2.
What the fuck is going on?
I have no idea.
Game 3 of the Western Conference Faze House Finals.
What you got? Cole Bennet with the ball.
We got Ricegum out here in the corner.
Coming through. What you got?
This is game 3. This is the finals, Rice. Show up. What the fuck?
Take it up top. Up top.
You got it. Yo, Kelvin, are you winning this game?
Come on, bro. Hey. Exactly. You ready? 1-1.
Exactly. Precisely. Out to Jake. Jake. Oh, Jake balling or... Oh! Jake is not trying to take an L today. 2-1. Up to 7. Kelvin. Misses. Board to Ricky. Out to Cole. Cole splashes the 2. Oh! Let's go. Ricegum. And what a pass. Holy shit. Oh my God. What a pass.
What a pass.
You missed that one.
I did.
This is for the win. Next shot wins. Oh my God. He almost made that. That was nasty. Oh my God. The game ain't over yet. Ace, please stop. Jesus fucking. Jake tie. Oh my God. What is the score? What's the score?
4-6.
Game point.
Come on, Cole. No, back up.
For the win. Win it.
Yeah, Banks. Yeah, Banks.
Oh my God, what a pass. Actually, I didn't even see that shit.
I thought you were trying to shoot it.
I did too. Oh, Banks with the fake. Oh my God. Who saw the fake? Who saw the fake?
Give it. Let's
Oh!
go, dude. And we don't lose, man. Come on.
How do you feel after the dub?
Man, I can't wait to get my trophy. I think I'm MVP of the team.
Game interview, Cole. How do you feel?
Man, it was a tough game, but we came out on top, man. It wasn't much of a challenge.